Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn very easy and useful VBA function called MSG function. It is a very easy way to communicate macro with user and also receive simple inputs from user like OK, yes, no, cancel, etc. It's an inbuilt function, so you don't have to completely design it. That's the best thing. You just have to call this message box function. So first we will create a message box to welcome the user to our channel or Excel application. And second, as you can see, we will have a button which will clear the data from row 6 onwards, but it will ask user to confirm if he really want to delete or they have pressed the button by mistake. Now, as you can see, I have the screenshot here to show you guys what message box actually looks like. With our code, we are going to create something very similar. So I'll delete this for now. And so we will move on to VBA Editor. You can press Alt F11 to open it. You can insert a new module if you don't already have a module. Since I already have a module, I'm not inserting a new one, right? So we will add a button here. Okay. We'll give the name welcome user and create new, right? Now you just have to write MSG box and then leave a space, and this will ask you the further requirements. So as you can see, prompt is in bold. That means it is a compulsory argument. Other options are optional. So if you don't want to use them, it's on you. So we will write here, welcome to learn Excel VBA. It can be anything as per your requirement. After that, you have to select button type. So as you can see, there are a lot of options which you can use. But since I just want to show this box and don't do any other action based on it, I'm just selecting VB OK only. After that, as you can see, we have to write title. So title, I'm writing hello. Okay, so that's it. This was very simple. I'll just press F8 to run this. As you can see, it now says welcome to Learn Excel VBA, which was what we wrote in prompt section. And we just have OK button because we selected button type as VB OK only. And we have hello here because we wrote hello in the title section. So I already have this assigned here. I'll give this a name, welcome, and try this. As you can see, I'm getting this box now. Okay, so we will now move to our second task of this video, that is confirming with user before clearing data. So in this case, we are going to add a button which will clear the data in the below table that you see from row 6 onwards. But before clearing, it will confirm if the user really want to clear. So you have to click on developer, insert and form controls button. I'll give the name confirm with user, right? So in this case, we have to first define the variable. I'll write dim user reply because we have to take reply from the user as VB message box result, right? Because this is going to be the result from the message box. Now you have to write user reply so that we can define what the user reply is going to be. So user reply is going to come from the message box. So let's say the message box states, do you want to really clear data? Okay. After that, we will select VB yes no button because we have to give option of yes no. Sorry. And after that, you have to select title. So I'll just write clear as a title. Okay. So the syntax from this is similar to what we saw in the first simple macro where we were welcoming the users. But in this case, we have two options like user can reply with yes or no. So we have to define here what should happen if if user select yes, right? So if they select yes, then I want to clear the range B6 to D16, right? So I've defined the range which I want to clear and then dot, I'll write clear contents so that the contents will be clear. But we also have to define what if user reply with no. So we will write if user reply VB no. Then we don't need to do anything. So I'll write exit sub. Okay. So this was very simple as you saw. And now we will see how this is working. So I have already assigned this. There should be a space. Right. So I'll just click on this button. And as you can see, I got the title as clear and it is asking me, do you want to really clear data? I'll press on no. So nothing happened, right? But if I click again and select yes, then it will go ahead and clear the data, right? So that's it for today's video. I'll keep sharing more such ideas. I hope this will be useful to you. And I'll also share more such ideas. So please subscribe to my channel to keep getting latest updates. You can also share it with your friends and family. They can also learn from all this and use in their projects. So thank you very much and keep learning.